Welcome back to Ensign Equipment. I'm Andrew Hartline, Sales Manager here, and today we've got a short application spotlight video to show you one of our dumper conveyor systems that we're shipping out the door here this week. I don't think we've highlighted our conveyor systems yet. I know we've done quite a few on our different dumpers and dumper options, but this one is to cover an application where we're in the recycling side of plastics and we're dumping material into an incline conveyor feeding a grinder. In this situation, we didn't supply the grinder. The customers are actually going to be sourcing that on their own, but we are incorporating the dumper and conveyor system to provide them that turnkey solution. So let's take a quick look at this. As you can see, here's our conveyor. It's an 18-inch wide conveyor. It's utilizing a plastic belting, a link-style belting with 2-inch flights on 18-inch spacings. It's a pretty common size conveyor that feeds grinders, if you're not already aware. We have one of our standard Gaylord dumpers here to receive material in boxes. The material in this application is going to be scrap preforms that may have had blemishes or scrap blown bottles that just didn't meet spec, had different deformities. So here we are dumping them into the hopper, conveying them up into a grinder, and then from there they're going to get, a grinder evac system into probably Gaylords. So it's a pretty simple operation. This one's very manual, just as is what the customer's looking for. It's low volume, but operator would load our Gaylord dumper with a box of plastic bottles and preforms. They would exit the Gaylord dumper. Again, likely this operation, our conveyor is just running continuously. We'll turn it on for you here. But then they're going to come over. They will hit the safety reset button to reset the safety screen. We've got a safety cage with light screen on this system here to prevent any operators from getting hurt or in harm's way when the dumper is in motion. And then they're going to press the up button. Now, as we kind of go through this and we watch the dumper come up to its full rotation of 135 degrees, we're going to kind of get a feel that it's a bit of a time-consuming thing to have an operator just hold their finger here. And for certain applications, this is definitely acceptable. But there are often times where operators are having to do multiple different types of projects. Maybe they're running two of these systems side by side. And so being able to sit here with your thumb on the button for 40 seconds as this thing rotates up gets to be a bit challenging. For those applications where we're trying to do something a little bit more efficient and speedier, we do offer our automated dumper packages with these container dumpers so that they can do more of what we call a dump and run method, where they'll load the box, they'll hit the safety reset button, they'll hit cycle start, and then they can go tend to something else in the plant or another system while the dumper's doing its actions. Also with the conveyor, turn this off. Also with the conveyor, this conveyor doesn't really have much for options either, but we can incorporate plate style metal detection or tunnel style metal detection into the conveyors for you to prevent any type of metal contaminants getting into a grinder, maybe damaging those blades, causing more increased wear on them. So again, a lot of different options for automation here. A lot of different options we can do on belting depending on the material. This is, again, just a plastic link-style belt, pretty modular. Something happens with a flight or a part of the belting, it's pretty easy to take out the lacing, add in a new section. But we also do different types of belting, like 3-ply rubber belting, PVC 120 belting. We've even gotten into some nitrile belting for different applications when we're getting into chemicals or dumping something that was holding some type of a harsh chemical, or maybe it's an outdoor application of some nature as well. So a lot of different things we can do here with conveyors, dumpers, automation to help speed up and streamline your recycling processes. If you got any specific questions, please feel free to leave them below. Otherwise, contact us directly at sales@ensigneq.com. We appreciate your time. We hope this brought you some value, some understanding about what you can get from Ensign Equipment. We look forward to working with you on your next project, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.